Welcome back to my channel. I'm Stylist Lee, and if you're new, be sure to subscribe below. Today I have something very exciting for you all. I'm going to be showing you how to do a braided half hawk on natural hair. As though this hairstyle can be done on multiple different textures, today we're going to do it on curly hair. We're going to be using hair from SL Raw Virgin Hair in their Deep Curly collection. It's going to be super cute and super fun. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I want you to keep watching because you don't want to miss this. Before you begin, it's always great to start off on freshly cleaned hair, stretched and blow dried. This will help with your braiding process to make it so much easier. Now we want to begin with sectioning the hair. We're going to isolate the top, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what I plan on doing with the top later. For now, we're going to move on to the temples in the back, and we're going to begin our braiding. Moving on to the braiding. During this process, you can be completely creative. You can do large sections or small sections. For us, we're going to go ahead and do medium-sized sections. I'm also going to be using jam, which is a gel, to help with maneuvering with my braiding process. This is going to allow me to control my braids and also give a nice clean finish look. Now that we've completed our braiding for the temple and the nape area, now we can move on to our sectioning. So here we went ahead and braided in a nice circular motion because this is where we're going to be sewing down our sew-in tracks. For the sake of the video, we did not apply a sewing net onto the mannequin's hair. However, for your own personal, I would suggest using a sew-in net to help with protecting your hair from any puncturing or pulling, or to eliminate any tension for discomfort. One great hair trick when sewing in hair extensions is it's best not to cut the track. This helps with the longevity and the lifespan of your hair extensions, and it also eliminates shedding and thinning that may occur from cutting the weft. Now that we've completed with sewing in all our hair extensions, when dealing with curly hair, it's best to go ahead and mist it with water and go ahead and apply any foam wrap of your choice, and be sure to detangle with a paddle brush. Now it's time to shape your hair. Go ahead and get your blow dryer, add on your diffuser, and put it on a mild heat, and you can begin diffusing the hair. You want to get the hair close to 80% dry. Then you can let the rest air dry and let the curls formate.